right. Welcome to the hard hitter. How y'all doing?
All we have to do is we got to get to that field right there. But we're going to get there as one team. We're going to consolidate gear. We're going to pull security when we get down there. Does everybody understand that? Yes, yes. All right, let's start moving. No breaks in contact. Let's go, Black Bear. All right, HLC is secure.
Help him out now.
Tell me, you want to quit?
Do not stop. Do not let go of my track.
There's nothing that you guys are going to see that we haven't been dealt ourselves. And we ask ourselves a lot of the time, what the fuck are we doing? Why are we doing this? What's the purpose of it? And even sometimes it's mental to see what you're willing to take, and for us, if you don't have the mental ability to put up with all that stupid shit, you're probably going to be gone.
The GoRuck Challenge is a series of events, the heavy being 24 hours, light 5 hours, and the tough 12 hours. Basically, it's a bunch of people don't know each other. They show up to a street corner. There's a pre-designated spot, and one of us former Special Forces guys show up on the corner to facilitate their event.
Let's have fun, work hard. We're going to some places tonight. If you quit at the wrong time, we're just gonna have to carry you anyhow. We're not walking city streets.
Walking along that ridge line.
During my events, I use all my past experiences. My 2 times in Iraq, my multiple times in Afghanistan, my times in the Philippines.
You're a parent, raise your hand. Almost every one of you. You know that love you have for those kids? As a leader in the Army, you've become so attached to these guys, and when one of them dies and leaves this earth too early, it's very emotional. There's something missing. So this event gives us an opportunity to remember them and to honor them and to inspire ourselves to be more like them. This is the same exact model that's used in the military to train our guys, that build that unbreakable trust. And I've got guys that I've served with that I trust more than anybody else I know.
Dave Roden was a 18 Bravo, one of our weapons sergeants. In a group of Green Berets, he was the Green Beret that we all aspired to be. And on Thanksgiving on 2014, Dave was killed in Afghanistan. So this event is now happening yearly. And the patch that the people that finish this weekend will have the Hard Hitter Award on the patch with Dave's name on it. This weekend, Dave Roten's mom's gonna come down and talk to the class at the end of each of the events.
I really appreciate y'all doing this and raising funds for Green Beret Foundations. It really means a lot. It means a lot as a mom to have her son remembered, like you guys have been doing it consistently, and I do appreciate that. And I'm so proud of you guys for what you did. I know that was tough.
Moving into the airfield where the C-130 is waiting, about to go bingo. Start veering to your 11 o'clock. For fire, type for fire. On the ground, get your head down. Your mission is to get from here to the start point where your formation was, with your whole team within arm's reach of each other, with their equipment. You understand?
You gotta get out of this area. You're pinned down, come on. That's it, move with a purpose, come on.
Cross that line together. Pass as a team. Here you go, push it.
Everybody stand up. Go look your teammates in the face and tell them what a good job they did.
One, two, three.
Let's go! Right leg. Good job. Good work.
Good.
How many is that for you?
Three.
3? There you go. Great job, man. Good effort.
Yes.